everyone. Today I came across this very interesting topic about the hybrid RAG. I've never seen this before. This is from Tavily. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is pretty much like Perplexity. It's doing the AI web search for you. And this is one of the interesting, I would say, SDK API from their side. Uh, I explored it today. I feel like it's pretty handy. So what it does is like it's not the traditional RAG. It's a RAG plus the web search. What does that mean? Is like, hey, I'm using the table thing to do a web search, and then when I retrieve the information, I save that into the vector DB. And next time I need to do another information retrieval or anything, I first check the vector DB to get the result, plus to get the web search result, right? So it's like a two-in-one kind of thing. In line graph, there is something called the semantic cache. Uh, pretty much like the same concept, but this is more easy to use, I would say. I tried that a little bit. So I'll have a demo first, and I'll go through this code uh, very quickly. Mm, in order to do that, you need to set up your MongoDB, and you need to have this cohere. Cohere is used to do the vector DB embedding and ranking function, and then call this function. I'm pretty much to duplicate this, copy paste this code, and to make it work. And then yeah, let's do a real demo. This time, let's use the Google ADK, which is just released, pretty hot. Mm, if you are familiar with OpenAI Agent SDK, I think you can pick up this new framework very quickly. They're very similar. They have a lot of common things. And also, I'm using a very basic agent here, so nothing to talk about here. Today's agent we're trying to build is a coupon rack agent. Imagine, I mean, this is the Stop and Shop website. This the weekly ads, and then I want to do a rack about this information. And then yeah, let's go back to here. So my agent's like this. I'm using Gemini 2.5 agent to answer question. Use the tool to get information from this URL. And this is my tool. And then this is what I just copy pasted from there. Let's take a run first and see how it does. Now we have the Google ADK. It comes with a nice UI. It's easier to show what happened. I don't. This is also my first time running that. Running for this thing based on my previous experiment, it's not doing a very good job, but let's see. I want to show you guys this concept. Say, if I want to know the price of this, okay, the tool get a card, we got a response, 599. Let's see, 599. Oh, it is 599. It is doing good job. Let's do another one. Let's see. I want to get sweet potatoes. Around dollar something. 59, isn't it? This time is incorrect. Uh, well, this is expected because you might need to do some prompting over there to make it work. Um, if I ask the same question again, this response from, yeah, see, we're getting this response very quickly because I think this is from what do you call from the DB. Let's go to our DB for a second. Collection. Yeah, see, this is how we save the information that we just retrieved. Uh, there are eight things get retrieved. A dimension is the 1024. Mm, yeah. So let's go to some detailed things, and I found that is worth mentioning. In order to make it work, you have to have a MongoDB set up. So creating a MongoDB account is very easily. You go to MongoDB, just create a free account. Thing I want to mention is to creating the index, because as you can see from this doc, you need to have your own index embedding file and content file. In order to do that, this is a little bit hard for GPT to figure out. You go to here, you go to the search, click this one, create a search index. And then you click this one, vector search. This is very important. And then, for example, go to here to the next one. Yeah, here you need to type the 1024, not other number, because the code here where we use for the embedding and the ranking, the default value is 1024. I think there's a way to configure that, but the default value is 1024. And yeah, this is the DB side, the Cohere part. This is nothing to talk about. You just go to Cohere website, create an account free, get a free API key. One thing I want to mention is I think there is something wrong with their code. I have to, what do you call? I have to create this Cohere client first to set my API key. Otherwise, it doesn't work. You see, the sequence seems very funny, but I have to make this sequence in order to make it work. Yeah, and yeah, that's about that. And thanks for watching.